What's going on, YouTube? It's Charles coming back at you tonight with another quick video. And tonight's video, I'm talking about how everybody, most people around you, they just want to be average. Most people, they wake up every day, get up and they want to do the same thing everybody else is doing. I just want to run through a couple little stats tonight on showing you why you don't want to be average. The average person who files for bankruptcy could have avoided it with the extra $400 to $500 a month. Is that a situation you want to be in? The average salary from the Census Bureau from 2017 is about $59,000. The average American household has $175,000 in savings in June 2019. It might sound like a lot, but millions of families have nothing, and median households only have $11,700. What does that mean to be average? That means you're being like everybody else, pretty much staying in the status quo. You're not doing anything else to bring your head above water. You're doing the same thing everybody else doing. You want to be above average. You want to be the best. You don't want to just stay average and do the same thing everybody else doing, but you keep on getting what everybody else is getting. A lot of people out there who may act like they have a lot of money. They may act like they're living the big, but they pretty much live an average lifestyle. Even the people that's out there making a lot of money, they're making a lot of money, but they spending a lot of money. So you don't want to be average. And that's pretty much the point of this video. Go through a couple more of these stats. The American household debt hit a record 13.21 trillion in 2018 among 300 million people. That's a lot of debt. If you want to be average, you're going to be in debt. If you want to be average, you're not going to have a good retirement. If you want to be average, you're going to have bad credit. That's why you don't need to be. That's why you don't want to be average. You don't want to. You normally the people you hang around. That's going to determine what you turn out to be. So that's just your circle of friends. And the average American retirement nest egg is $95,000. Retirement is age 66 right now, but it's going up every couple of years. And 5 to 10 years after retirement is pretty much what that money's for. If you retire with $95,000, you plan on living for the next 10 years, then it's like $9,500 a year. Not sure how you can survive off of that unless everything you have is paid off. And that's still kind of rough. That's less than $1,000 a month. You're 60 years old, you have $9,000 for a year. That's kind of rough. I just came to play with this quick video, guys, just to let you know that you don't want to be average. You want to be above average. You want to be phenomenal. Just try not to settle for being average. And that's it, guys. You have a wonderful day.